So today we're gonna make a fantastic healthy recipe in less than 10 minutes. And the secret ingredient is eggs. Eggs are a natural food filled with vitamins and minerals. 2 eggs has 13 grams of protein. Protein helps to build and maintain muscle, and it also helps to keep your immune system healthy. We're gonna make a zucchini pasta topped with a fried egg. You're gonna add some pesto, mix it up. You want the pesto all over. I'm gonna get you working, so you need to cut some of these tomatoes. Studies show that when you eat veggies with eggs, it actually helps your body better absorb those nutrients from the veggies. So I'm gonna fry up the egg. Super easy. I've got some oil, or you could use butter in your pan. We're just gonna plate the zucchini noodles on the plate, and we're gonna just place that nicely on top. A little bit of Parmesan cheese on top.
And then
a little squeeze of lemon. Do you want me to do that?
This is good, and it was actually easy.
Yeah, and fast. You can make so many different recipes using eggs in less than 10 minutes. You can find all of these recipes and more at eggs.ca.